The next big step you can do, number 2, learn about vegetarian and vegan food. When I talk with people, I often hear that vegetarian and vegan food is hard to find. And it's even harder to find good vegetarian and vegan food. So this is actually a beautiful way where you can really distinguish yourself when you can make a good offer.
Nou, dat is er nog niet zoveel, dat je de keus hebt dat je ergens vegetarisch kan eten of dat je veel keus hebt. Dat zeker niet en dat is ook niet altijd even lekker.
Yeah, sometimes you have the dish, the not vegetarian dish, with ribs, potatoes, sauce, some salad, like really nice and colorful, like I want to eat this. And the vegetarian option or the vegan option is more like dog food.
or the same dish but without the meat.
Yeah,
it doesn't look nice.
Like, I'm here.
Yeah, it looks like, okay, you get this, you get out of my kitchen.
So one thing that's really important is that the vegan or vegetarian food that you offer is actually an equally beautiful, tasty and nourishing meal as the other meals that you have on your menu. Would a non-vegetarian or non-vegan really love this dish? This is actually one question that I would say is really important to take in mind, because really good food is just really good food. Whether it was plant-based or meat-based, or think of delicious sauces and stews and breads. So what can you do practically to make your vegan and vegetarian offer better? To start with, learn about plant-based proteins. So you could think about all beans and peas, like green peas, sugar snaps, green beans, butter beans, kidney beans, mung beans, all sorts of different lentils. You can think of chickpeas. There's also yellow peas, gray peas. You can think of edamame and soybeans, types of tofu and tempeh, almonds, hazelnuts, walnuts. Oh my gosh, so many plant-based proteins! No, but seriously, there's so much around, and a very good thing, especially when you think of seeds and nuts, they have a lot of really healthy fats as well. Yeah, so learn more about these plant-based proteins. What are beautiful ways to prepare them? What are like original ways to prepare them? Instead of making a weak variant of a meat-based dish, make a dish that is really meant to be plant-based from the start, and that is nutritionally complete, that is beautiful, that has great flavors, and that whoever you would put this in front of would be like, wow, this looks amazing, I want to eat this. I want to eat this.
If you have money to spare, then maybe going out to eat at different places that have been recommended in the city or town that you live in, and just talking to people. I think that can be really inspiring as well. How do people get involved in food? Start volunteering at different cafes or soup kitchens, or maybe there's some sort of pop-up restaurants that need hosts for the evening, and that's a great way of getting inspiration as well. And also making sure you get your proteins. That's super, super important, because eating vegetarian or vegan has unfortunately a bad reputation, that you're malnourished, and that's not true if you know how to eat a balanced diet. So maybe talking to a professional nutritionist or dietitian to get some tips, and also doing some research.
One very important thing also when we talk about vegetarian and vegan food is that, and this sounds maybe funny, but it does happen a lot, be very careful not to accidentally add animal products. They're very easy to miss when you just start working with plant-based food.